Today? Well, today I have a great news. I have something exciting. I've been watching and looking in my garden and I realized it's something new and I'm going to share it with you. It's about cabbages. How to grow cabbages. Different ways to grow cabbages. So this cabbage was from last year when I grew cabbages, right? I cut it from down here. If you can see, I cut it down like that. Then this year it brought more cabbages. Look at that. Look how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, so I dug once. You can separate them, right? You can separate them and you get many cabbages. So all this can turn into cabbages and you have individual cabbage. Look, let's do it together. So I'm using this hoe to dig around it gently. You have to make sure it comes with the roots on it. So you dig down, you give enough roots, and you go gently with a shovel without hurting anything because you want roots to come on it. So just like that, and without hurting other ones, right? There it is, I'm separating it. You see? Because it has roots, it's going to focus on itself. You remove the leaves on a side, just like that. And you have a new, different other cabbage, right? You have, so this, when I plant it, it's going to have a big cabbage because here, they have many, everything is feeding on each other. But when you divide them, you make more. So what I'm trying to say is, when you are harvesting your cabbages, there's different ways to plant cabbages. I did different ways. I planted some from seed. You see, these purple cabbages, they're from seeds. So I planted in March. And in the April, I planted these little ones here. Now I'm dividing this in March, so it's looking big, but it's going to focus on growing itself. So the way how to harvest all summer eating, you plant every month separately. You plant in March, April, May. Every month you plant, and you have different time eating, long time eating cabbages, right? So this is when you put on the ground, you are ready to go. So you can plant from seeds and you have some, and then you can, when you're harvesting later, you cut your broccoli from there like this far, and then next following year you'll have more coming up, and that's another way to plant cabbages too, because you invested in that stem. It's bringing more out and you have more cabbages. Isn't it exciting? I'm super excited to see how much. And it's the same with kale too. You see this kale? It has a lot of bush too. I cut from the stem also. You see? From a stem. And it dried last year. You don't dig it out. Then it came up. I'm going to separate this. And I'm going to have more kale too in the different areas. Right? That's how we grow. Different ways to grow. So take care of your volunteers. Anything volunteering in your garden coming back, take care of it by giving it different space, by putting it more where it can grow big. So I can't wait to show you guys how big this is going to be next time. Alright, I love you so much and thanks for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and likes. Alright, I love you. Bye friends. See you next time. Yep.